In this video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from OKX to OKX. The first thing you want to do is you want to open OKX and go over here underneath where it says crypto, and you want to go ahead and select on USDT. From here, you want to go ahead and press on this one over here that does say send. And basically, you want to go ahead and send your USDT to another OKX wallet. So you need to basically input that wallet address over here in order to actually send USDT from one OKX account to another OKX account. So you need to go ahead and get the wallet address of the account that you're trying to actually send USDT to. And by the way, in case you're wondering, you could easily find your USDT wallet address over here by just selecting on USDT and then pressing on copy. Now keep in mind that this is your personal address. You want to get the USDT address of the account you're trying to send OKX to. And that is basically how you're able to do the process. You can go ahead and paste it over here, and then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on confirm. You need to confirm the transaction, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.